Okay, now we know how to create indexes on a collection. How would you discover what indexes are already on the collection? Well, we can do that with the getIndexes command. So I'm going to start the Mongo shell again, and once again I'm going to use the school database. And then I'm going to call db.students.getIndexes. Students is the name of the collection, and as you remember in the last lesson we just added an index to it for student ID. We're going to call getIndexes, and if we do that we get back this result, which is a document. Actually, it's an array of 2 documents. And the first one tells you that there is an index on underscore ID. Now, this index exists in all collections and you can't delete it. There's also an index on student underscore ID, and that's the index we just created. And if we wanted to get rid of that index, we would call db.students.dropIndex and provide this exact same signature as when we created it. So here we're calling dropIndex, and we're giving the same signature, student underscore ID colon 1, that we gave when we created the index. And if we do that, we should be able to drop it. And there you go. Numindexes was 2, and now it's 1. And if we get indexes again, we'll see that, in fact, there is only 1 index. Perfect. All right. One last point I want to make is that this call, getIndexes, is a call that you use in MongoDB 3.0. and will work on both WiredTiger and mmap v1. And in earlier versions of the database, you could look at a special collection, system.indexes, to see what indexes existed. That does not work in WiredTiger. And so the preferred way to figure out what indexes are in a collection is to do this, to call db.students.getIndexes. And again, is a change in MongoDB 3.0.